Got the Hotsy steam cleaner that we bought at the auction. All right, now we're gonna get this hose off so we can blow through it, get all the junk out of it. See what it's gonna take. Hopefully it's not too hard. Get these. Oh, don't lose the little clip. There we go. All right. Set that up there. So we put the air hose to it. Oh, see anything blows out. Ew. Well, that's just nasty. Whoa. Okay. I think that's cleaned up. Now my leg's all soaked. Oh no. That little clip. We washed it off. Ah, there it is. Not a problem, we found it. Man, I wish they would have had the pump there. I'm wondering even if this motor works. I want to try it out. Plug it in. Can't plug it in, it takes a special plug. Alright, I can't plug it in. I was hoping to plug it in. Thing takes that weird sideways plug. So can't try it out yet until I figure out something to plug it into. Alrighty. Rush WD-40 up in that thing. Just spray some WD-40. Oh, running out. There we go. Let that lubricate in there for a little bit. Now, the next one that's plugged is the coil. When I tried to put air through it, it didn't want to blow. It's like just every little piece doesn't take apart and blow it out, but that's all right. Whatever it takes to gotta get these parts working and cleared. That way when we get a pump, it'll all work. Well, I didn't have the right kind of a clip, but we'll try this half moon, whatever these ones are called. We'll try this one. See if it'll work. Put it back together. Well, no, until put pressure to it, see if it leaks. Some water pressure. Hopefully that'll work. Now see what happens when we push air through it this time. Nice. What happens if we plug it off? That's what I'm afraid of. It's going to bubble where I put that O-ring in there. At least it's opened up for right now. Alright, now. The next thing to get unplugged would be the coils through the heater. Get them unplugged. Oh, there she goes, and then it's all over everything. Oh, that's not cool. I don't know what that was that was in it. Ew. Ew. I think antifreeze or something that they put in. All right, we're going to head to lunch. And we're back from lunch. Well, good afternoon, everybody. See if this igniter is going to work. You're going to have to, like the fan on, it's kind of stuck up, so we're going to take it apart. Make sure everything's moving, cleaned up. And see if this igniter works, then it'll be worth ordering the pressure washer pump for. So that is what we're doing today. Yeah, we can get it. These bolts out here. Get it dropped down. I just did the wrench and lost it in the. I think I might have to take these wires, cut. I don't know if I can tell that, if they're in that video. Relax. I'll get it out. Hopefully. Alright, we got it out. Got the fan out. That fan turns freely. It's the pump here that's not wanting to turn. So we're going to get it opened up, clean it out. Let's see if we figure out how to get it off. Take it off and clean it up. I think maybe we'll try this screw here. And this one. Oh. Mercy gracious. I don't know if that. That's still stuck in there. some reason it's still stuck in there pretty good, and I am, see, we're going to end up tearing this up. There she is. Whoops. There we go. Does it? Try to torque that gasket. That's what I was afraid was going to happen. Oh, there's a filter in there too. Well, we're liable to have to get a gasket set for the burner. Well, we for sure got to have a gasket set for it. Got it broke loose, but it definitely needs cleaned and a gasket set. So it depends if I can, what I can find, if I can order, get a gasket set ordered for it, hopefully. Not too expensive, and we'll see what goes on from there. But it looks like we're done with this project till we can get some parts ordered. Till next time. Alright, we looked online, found the gasket kit and the filter, got them ordered. But it's going to be a little while, but I was getting impatient, so I decided to try to my best at making one. So that's what I came up with, so hopefully we'll try it out, see if it works. And if it don't, then we can put the new one in when it comes in. But at least we can try to get one right now. Alright, let's put her back together then. Oh, I messed up this. Oh, we're gonna have to, let me put this back in the vise. It's a whole lot easier. Tried out the fan. The fan does work, so nothing wrong with the fan. Okay. Now I gotta get this lined back up. I had it lined up, then I bumped it and messed it up. That goes there. Spring. And that goes there. All right. Now where'd my little socket go? Right here. Got this because the shaft in this wasn't turning, it was stuck up. Reason we had to take it apart. Taking it apart, we tore up the gasket. But luckily, I think got another gasket made. All right, got it. Okay. Moment of truth, see if my gasket's going to even fit and work. Oh, nice. Uh-oh. There might be another hole that I didn't know of. Ooh, it's a tight little fit. Yeah. We might have to put another hole for that one there. Because the gasket I tore apart. Tore that piece out, so I don't know if it had a hole there or not. I really don't think so. Let me look on the one I ordered. See what it looks like. Oh, wrong. Well, it shows one day. Oh, we don't. Yeah. It shows a hole there. But when I put these pieces together on this one, let's lay the old gasket on here. See what the deal is. Ah, come on. That's lapping over that hole enough, so I'm thinking that hole was not open. Let's see, because there's pieces I scraped off, and I don't know. I think this goes, whoops, I think that went there. Well, I think I'm gonna go with a no hole over that one, and we'll see what happens. Yeah, just a fit down over there. That's without tearing it up. I worked hard building it. Oh no, oh no. It's not matching. Did I turn it the wrong way? Got it turned. Uh-oh. Get it back up now. Flip it over. See if they'll match that way. Cleaned our filter off, so we'll just reuse the filter. This goes this way. I'll be so happy if this actually works. I'll just keep that little other seal until I actually need it, I guess. Gasket, filter. Ooh, I heard it pump, like trying to pump. It's trying to pump. Eat your pump. Eat your pump. Where'd me? Wrenches. Oh, whoa, 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 easy, easy. Mercy gracious. Thing strip off too easy, He-Man. We'll just put it back on here. And see what happens. What happens? Easy there, He-Man. All right. Pumps back together. Guess we can put the fan motor back on first. Back together. Well, hopefully today we can try to get this burner back into the pressure washer, see if it's gonna ignite and burn, because we got it cleaned out. The mouse net, nasty mouse nest. I don't think I recorded that. But there's the nasty mouse nest. It was all built up into there. Good thing we got it cleaned out before trying to burn it. Before the burner burned. That would have been a terrible mess. So I got to order some new. If that burner will burn, then we'll order some new insulation pads for it. I'll fix up. Get the doors opened up. It's a nice, warm, sunny day out today. Let's see what else is going to go on for hopefully today. Well, we'll start with that though. I had to make that filter, that gasket for that burner, but I forgot to put a hole in it, so I think I'll, which I can't tell the old one because it's how the old one lays. Can't tell if there was supposed to be a hole there or not. The old one don't look like it, but the ones when you order them, they have it in there on it. I guess I need to take that cover back off of that burner, poke a hole into that new gasket I made. New gasket's still on order. Well, it's shipped, but it's still going to be a few days till it comes in, so until then, we're going to try out my homemade gasket and see how it works. Burner back over here. Pop this end back off real quick. Won't take much. Shouldn't take much in here, I don't think. Which actually, according to that, I don't know if you can see it or not. It's focusing in good enough. But where that pressing, that hole's there, so there's no hole in this. So apparently certain ones has to have a hole there, and I believe this one does not. So therefore, guess what? We're not going to put a hole in it. He's poking a hole if there's no on this cover. The cover has nowhere it's supposed to, for a hole to need of a hole, so we're not going to poke one in it. We're good to go. We're going to get this thing back together. Oh, I hope this thing will burn. I sure want to I need a good pressure washer, so steam cleaner. This will burn and get the water hot. Kick on. We'll get all the other things that we need ordered. But it all depends on this burner, if it's worth ordering the other pieces for. If this burner don't work, it's not worth ordering the pieces. So, all right, that's all taken down. Now, figure out how we're going to get that burner back in there. Have to do some thinking real quick. No use boring with my thinking. Alright. Yeah, we can get this up in there. I should know what the sealant stuff is, but for now. Will it go? Will it go? Yes, it will. That's not the easiest thing to hold up. And try to get a nut on it. Should have cleaned up those threads and these nuts. Being rusted before we try to do that. I need some WD-40. Some WD-40. Got a heads on them somewhere. Got a heads on them somewhere. Should have bought some more. The camera. All right, get our fuel lines back on. Electrical wire plugged back, rewired. We're gonna have to look at some pictures to remember what wire goes with what. Before we do that, we need to get them stripped back, I guess. Our wiring diagram. Wire diagram. Alright. Well, the two blacks go with this blue. That's easy to, huh? Might be able to figure it out. Let's get these stripped back. White, I'm pretty sure the white was all white. So that shouldn't be too hard. That shouldn't be too hard. Jesus be Jesus in me. The two whites we cut off, so it'll be this white and this white right now. What I do is that nut. Guess we're good to put this in now. goes, hopefully. All right. Fuel lines, and which this one was easy to do. Maybe a little too long, huh? But that's all right. Well, leave it at that. That return line is going to be the fun one to get back on, I guess. Back in there where you can't see it. I should have stuck that on before I pushed up in there. I was going to, and I knew I should have done that. Oh, great. I always make myself with more work than I need to, because now I can't get it. To slide on where it needs to slide on. Got it part way, so, but not enough. Not enough. Yeah, hopefully that's good enough. Well, we're not ready to get some fuel in it. Get some fuel put in it and hook it back up to the water line. So we'd see what's going to happen. But it's back up in there. For the oh, I still got this line to hook up. All right, we'll get that hooked up real quick. Then we'll get her down. All right, hopefully we got everything hooked up. We got water hooked up to it. Got an air hose hooked up to it for the pressure switch, so it'll kick on. Got the hose clamped in the vise over there just to hold it while the water's going through it, coils. Right now we're just wanting to see if this burner will burn. All right. Get the water turned on. Igniter. Well, this is a failure. All right, turn the one back on. It's burning. I think I'll get this, shake that off there, get water off there a little bit. All right, round two. Just had to take the tension spring out of that. Air pressure is not as hard as that water pressure would be. Now that should have. I will turn the water back on. Burning. Already getting warm. Ooh, yeah, that's hot. That's definitely hot water now. It's working. See the water steaming over there. More pressure to it. Nope, nope. Uh-oh. Something happened. Something happened. Let that run cool down. That water out of there. I don't know how come it quit. Still pretty warm. Okay, it's enough. Shut that water off. I don't know why the burner shut off. That might have been because it hit the temperature on the thermostat is what it hit. Probably is the reason that kicked off. Yeah, that's all it was. It just hit the temperature on the thermostat and all of it. Try this one more time. Now we got the handle on. Had to put a new type of tip on there. Had to go through put a seal O-rings in the handle. Hopefully it'll work. I'm gonna kick this thing on again. This is regular water pressure. I'd like to hook the pressure washer up to it. But well, right now we'll just go with regular water pressure. Okay. That didn't work. Still got some bugs to work out, but well, I think once we get our pump in, should help a lot. We're just using regular water pressure, so it's not pushing that hot water through there like it's supposed to. Tempted to go ahead and hook up a regular pressure washer on it and see what happens. We just might do that. So that looks like to me it's going to work. Now I just got to figure out something how to come up for the parts. But it's going to work. It's going to work. We just need the parts. All right, that's it for that.
Thanks for watching. Stay with us for next week's part 2 of getting the pressure washer going. Thank you. Have a good